Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon.
Yes, take your seat.
Thank you so much, sir.
Please introduce yourself, Trupti.
So
Chupti.
my name is Chupti Chupan Patra. Sir, I am from Bhuban, Dhenkanal.
Chupti means
Sir, this my name doesn't have any definite
चुप रहने का है क्या? ना चुप कराने का है.
Sir, my
Okay,
mother.
it's a very unique name.
Yes,
First
sir.
time I am hearing.
Yes, sir.
Chupti
Chupun, sir.
Patra.
Yes, sir.
Okay. You have passed out from Revensa University, the great historical famous university, Revensa University, Revensa College. Chemistry.
Yes, sir.
In 2023. Then your hobbies participating in extracurricular activities, but you have not mentioned what extracurricular activities.
So during school, I used to participate in debate competitions, essay competitions, but since
You are
I have
inspired by Rupa Roshan Sahu, IAS.
Yes, sir.
What is her strong point, Rupa Roshan Sahu?
Sir,
How you could be inspired by her?
Sir, I met her by person. Once she awarded me a prize in debate competition. After that, I wanted to be like her. She worked for grassroots problems.
She is from Dhenkanal.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Dhenkanal.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
What's her parent?
Sir, I don't know.
Oh, she is from a very humble background,
Yes,
right?
sir.
Oh, then you have been inspired. Then areas you want to improve. You are a debater, you told.
Yes, sir.
Then why?
Sir,
Okay.
I can speak, but
Tell us about something on the current job you have applied for provisional officer.
yes, sir.
Why you preferred banking as your career?
So yes, sir. Sir, I think banking is now one of the fastest growing sector, and I think it's have great opportunity for my professional and personal growth, and it's a honest institution, sir, with no corruption, and I will get this chance of continuous learning and great promotional.
Right. Banking. By banking, what do you mean? Do you understand banking?
Yes, sir. Banking.
What are the functions, main functions?
Sir, banking means the activities performed by a bank. Typically, accepting deposits, giving loans and advances, and remittance of money, and other para banking activities like mutual funds, insurance, SIPs, etc. And banking also offers vault facility, locker facility.
Okay. You must have heard that there are public sector banks.
Yes, sir.
How many public sector banks are there?
So 12 public.
12 public.
Yes, sir.
How many private sector banks?
Sir.
What is your opinion about this? Private sector are efficient or public sector banks are efficient?
So both banks are efficient in their own way, but I think there is more competition between private sector banks. They are more competitive for launching more products, but public sector banks, both public sector banks are both competitive and they also launch products. They are social banking. They are performing
Okay.
social banking.
What is digital banking?
Digital banking, yes, sir. When we perform banking activities digitally by internet, we call it digital banking, like mobile banking, net banking.
Okay, good. Then there are some products are there in
Yes, sir.
loan products
Yes, sir.
and deposit products in bank. What are the deposit products?
Deposit
Products means what types of deposits?
Yes, sir. Demand deposit and term deposits, sir.
Okay, what are the demand deposits?
So demand deposits, current account deposit, saving account deposits.
But current account you don't pay interest. Savings bank
We
account,
don't get.
bank don't pay interest.
Yes, sir.
It is only for businessmen and
Business
business purposes.
Yes, sir.
Have you heard of this money laundering?
Yes, sir.
Can you tell me about that?
Money laundering is a process when some individual try to convert their black money into white money.
Into a true
through three process.
Through a banking channel, no?
Yes, sir.
Otherwise,
Placement,
yes.
placement, layering, and integration, sir.
Okay. So, for that, what is the act that is there? Prevention of Money Laundering
Money
Act,
Laundering
PMLA.
Act 2002, sir.
Do you know the main features of that PMLA?
Main pictures.
Have you read PMLA Act? Okay.
Sir, I will.
Okay, okay, ठीक है, it's okay. Then in that, what are the major industries in Odisha? Major mine-based industries, coal-based industries in Odisha, major of big size, not small, big size.
Sir, I think.
Public sector as well as private sector undertakings.
Sir, Nalco.
Yes.
NTPC, sir.
Yes.
Ispat.
Steel plant.
Steel
Rubber
plant,
steel
sir.
plant. Then
Bauxite industries are there in Keonjhar side.
private sectors.
Private sectors.
Private sector undertakings. Jindal Steel,
Jindal Steel.
Vedant Aluminium,
Vedanta Aluminium.
and lot of this. Yes, this GMR Power in Deccanal is coming up now, which is the highest industrialized district. Highest industrialized district in Odisha.
Sir, no idea, sir.
In Jharsuguda we are having a lot of industries.
Sir, Rahul.
In Angul and then
and
also
Talcher,
Deccanal we are
sir.
having a lot of industries.
Yes,
In Jajpur also, Kalinganagar,
yes, sir.
the Tata
Tata
Steel is there. So, do you think that these industries will help us give more employment? It will generate more employment?
Yes, sir. More people are working in those sectors.
At
As
what
labor-
level?
Sir,
Mostly I have seen that Odisha that at scale 3, that class 3, 4 level, they are giving employment. Why that is happening? It is because of lack of skills, required skills. Skill development is required. That's why in Odisha we don't get white collar jobs.
yes, sir.
Odisha. They need to be trained
Become
properly by
skilled.
skill development institutions are there. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Then who is the Speaker of Odisha Legislative Assembly?
Madam Assembly.
You are the woman, that's why I have asked.
Sorry, sir. I will
Surama
try to-
Padhi.
Surama Padhi, sorry, sir.
Deputy Chief Minister, one lady is there.
Yes, sir. I forgot.
Prabhati-
Prabhati Pared.
Okay.
Sir, I just forgot.
Women empowerment, no?
Yes, sir. I just forgot.
So I'll ask you two idiot question. I think you are very smart to reply. Chufti Chupan Patra.
Yes, sir.
From
So, Bhuban Dhenkanal, sir.
Bhuban.
Yes, sir.
Hmm?
Yes, sir.
Chemistry. You tell me, in India,
Yes, sir.
there are some discriminations. You hear me? And these are the social objectives, social obstacles in our country. Tell me one discrimination people face in India.
Discrimination. Sir.
Discrimination. Patravanta.
Sir, I think in caste level,
Caste.
caste,
Yes,
sir.
caste discrimination.
sir, I have seen my university, there are more students from scheduled tribe and scheduled caste communities, sir. Always they face.
Is there any act to protect such type of discriminations?
Yes,
To
sir.
protest against
Sir, I
Atrocities Act.
don't know that name, but I know there is some SC/ST act by which they can complain about
Good,
their
good. Any
facility.
other women, you tell me what is the other discrimination in our society?
As a woman, sir, as a woman, not in private, public sector jobs, in or
In society. not
Society.
society.
A
Yes, sir.
lot of incidents happened
In the society.
In society.
in Odisha also.
Sir, women face a lot of problems
What is
like
gender discrimination, you tell me?
gender discrimination means people think that women can't perform many activities that men can perform. They are weak. They can do this.
So they are secondary.
Yes, sir. They are treated
Women
like.
are in secondary.
They are treated like they.
But women are getting all reservation. 30% reservation in state government. They are
Yes,
getting
sir.
all reservation.
Yes, sir.
So how
But
to tell that women are second?
Then no, in government sectors they are getting, but I am saying about society. In society, unofficially they are facing many
You
problems.
appreciate such reservation for women in politics, in service, in so many fields. There is reservation for women.
Yes, sir. Sir, previously, starting from very early age, women are facing uh, different type of discrimination. So, to neutralize this, they need.
To improve the situations, women empowerment.
Yes, sir.
What do you mean by women empowerment in Odisha?
Women empowerment, sir. Again, can you say again the question?
Women empowerment. Government is telling of women empowerment.
Yes, sir.
What does it mean, this women empowerment?
Sir, women empowerment means women also get the equal opportunity like men. They will have the power to lead. They have the power to employ. They have the power to represent.
As a banker, lady officer, where will be posted? What will do for women empowerment?
Sir, if I posted as a probationary officer, I will try my level best. Which area may come under my area, I will try to initiate some. If in my hand, I will try to convince my branch manager or higher authority to.
No. You are not a counselor, you are not a lawyer, you will convince. Something is in your hand as a bank officer,
Yes, sir.
so that women can be empowered. What is that?
Sir, I will try my level best. Whoever comes to my bank, women, I will try to make them understand.
Something you are repeating. You are a banker, you are a field officer, branch manager. How can you empower the women of your area?
Sir, I will try
Don't
to.
tell they are convinced or you are not a political
Yes, sir.
circle
Yes,
board
sir.
member.
I understand.
As an officer, how you can empower the women?
Sir, I will try to give them
No
loans.
question of try. I will do like this.
Yes, sir.
Try is a very defensive, diplomatic word. Don't tell try in life. Very bad. I will do like this.
If a woman comes and she wants some loan for her
Why are
development,
you not telling that for the last 3 minutes? For MR rural.
I will help her.
Hear me, my
Yes, sir.
dear.
Sorry, sir.
For the empowerment of rural women, poor women, a bank has so many products, schemes which will give opportunity to improve upon the livelihood of women. They will take the decisions in the house, in the village. They will have economic ability, their income will increase. Self-help group is there, Subhadra Yojana in the state of Odisha is there. They are now entrepreneurs. Women are doing so many business. I can give them business loans.
Business loans, sir.
Beautiful. Straight away you are not telling, you are moving from the last 3 minutes this way, that way. Since it is a rehearsal, I am asking you. They will not ask you so
Yes,
much.
sir.
They will understand you and will skip up to the next question.
Yes, sir.
Okay. This public sector, priority sector lending, you know.
Yes, sir.
How many sectors are there?
8 sectors, sir.
Hmm?
8 sectors.
8 sectors. What is the percentage of total loan that should go to private sector? Out of 100 rupees, how many rupees should go to private sector lending?
Sir, in domestic banks,
You tell the percentage.
percentage are different
If you
percentages
know,
are
you
there.
tell. 100 ରୁ କେତେ ଟଙ୍କା private sector କୁ ଯିବ? 40%.
40%, sir. per annum.
If you do not pay 40%, what will happen? Suppose 30% your bank paid. What will happen?
Sir, maybe penalties at
Then
the.
go and read. You do not know this. What is RIDF of NABARD? What will happen to
Rural infrastructure development bond.
If you invest, deposit this money, deposit money in RIDF, you will get interest or you will pay zero rate of interest. That you go and study. My last question to you. You came from Odisha.
Yes, sir.
By which way you come? By air or by train or by road?
Train, sir.
Hmm?
Train,
What
sir.
is the name of the train?
Salimar Express.
Hmm?
Salimar Express.
Shalimar Express. What is the approximate distance from Bhubaneswar to Kolkata?
Sir, 650 kilometer, I think.
650 kilometers. Huh? From Bhubaneswar to Kolkata. Hmm? What is Vande Bharat train?
Sir, it is a government initiative, but
Between the government train. What is the specialty of Vande Bharat train?
Sir, it's speed and good hospitality and
What is
hygiene.
the average speed of Vande Bharat train?
Sir,
Huh? Who is the railway minister?
Ashwini Vaishnav,
From
sir.
which state he is representing? He is in Rajya Sabha and Lok Sabha.
Lok Sabha, sir.
Who is the higher education minister of India?
Dharmendra Pradhan.
Who is the tribal minister of India?
Kinji Paru Ramji Naidu, sir. I don't remember his full name, but
Don't worry. You remember these questions, jot down. These are the basic knowledge.
yes, sir. I
When
will
you are
try
going
to.
from one state to another state, na,
Yes, sir.
they will be very much interested to
About your
ask
state.
about your state.
Yes, sir.
ଭୁବନେଶ୍ୱରରେ ପରୀକ୍ଷା ହେଇଥିଲା ଅଲଗା ହେଇଥାନ୍ତା
Yes, sir.
କଲିକତାରେ ଯେତେବେଳେ ବହି କମନ ସେନ୍ସ କେମିତି ଆସିଲ କେତେ ବାଟ ଆସିଲ
Yes,
ଫ୍ଲାଇଟ୍ରେ କୋଉ ଫ୍ଲାଇଟ୍ରେ ଆସିଲ ତା ଓନର କିଏ ସେ ଇଣ୍ଡିଗୋର
Yes, sir. I will try to.
ସବୁ ଯାଉଛ ନା ଅଲ୍ ଇଣ୍ଡିଆ ଲେଭେଲରେ ଆପଣ ଏଠି ୱାସି ଖାଇଯିବ ତୁମକୁ ହେଲା
Yes, sir. I will.
Chemistry.
Yes, sir.
What is the catalyst?
So catalyst is used in a reaction to accelerate the rate of reaction. The reaction can happen more speedily.
Without changing its property?
Without changing its property, it can accelerate the
Can you
reaction.
name one catalyst?
So I don't remember at this
What
moment.
is the, what do you mean by laughing gas?
So laughing air N2O, sir.
Into.
Yes, sir.
How many elements are there?
118, sir.
Which table it represents? What
Yes,
is the
sir.
name of the table which represents elements?
Periodic table, sir.
How does your knowledge in chemistry will help in banking?
Sir, I think banking industry needs accuracy, sir. Large amount of cash handling and management of data. So as a chemistry graduate, I think as chemistry graduate, we pay attention to smaller details. So this accuracy will, I think, I will help in handling more data and cash management transactions.
What do you mean by this UPI payment?
So UPI payment means online transaction of money from one account to other account, sir. By mobile number, registered mobile number.
Okay. What is the primary function of a bank?
Primary function of banks are accepting deposits and giving loans and advances, sir.
What are the secondary functions?
Secondary functions like selling insurances, mutual funds and SIPs, sir.
And
And providing vault facility, locker facility.
what do you mean by KCC?
Kisan credit card, sir.
How does it help?
It help to give farmer subsidies and loans
Subsidies?
for loans. Yes.
Loans.
Loans for their agricultural needs like buying of fertilizers and different type of seeds. It helps them to.
Okay. What do you mean by small farmers?
Small farmers. Sir, I don't remember properly, but
Marginal
I
farmers,
think,
small farmers?
yes, sir.
both
Small
together.
farmer means they
Yeah,
have
both together.
agricultural land less than 1 hectare.
Less than 1 hectare.
I think so.
Give the example of 2 foreign banks.
Foreign banks, sir. Barclays Bank and Standard Chartered Bank.
Venture bank. Okay. Can you name small finance banks?
Can I name?
Some
Sir,
small finance banks.
Capital Small Finance Bank,
Hmm.
AU Small Finance Bank. Sir,
JU is the biggest,
yes,
very
sir.
big bank. Small.
Jonas
Jonas
Small
Small
Finance
Finance.
Bank.
Equitas. So,
Equitas.
what is KYC?
KYC sir, means know your customer. It is a tool which is used to know the source of money in customer's account and to know if customer is doing something illegal to.
How does it, the mechanism checks this activity?
So in KYC we verify their Aadhaar number and their transactions
2
and
things. Proof of identity and the address.
address, identity proof and address proof, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
What are the functions of NABARD?
જેની જોર પડશે
Sir, NABARD, So Nabadi is a developmental bank which helps for the development of agriculture and rural areas.
ঠিক আছে, ভালো আছে,
Well done, well done.
ভালো আছে। আর কি টাইম তো কম আছে,
I will try my best.
ভালো আছে, ড্রেস পত্র ঠিক আছে।
Sir,
Badhiya.
এটা হবো মানে
କାଇଁ ହେବନି, ଭଲ ଲାଗୁଛି ତ କିଛି। ଆଉ କ'ଣ କିଣିବ ନା କ'ଣ 5,000 ଟଙ୍କା ଦେବ?
Sir, ନା ମୁଁ
ଜୟ
actually
ଜଗନ୍ନାଥ କିଣିକି ଯିବ ଆଉ କ'ଣ?
sir ଖଦିର ବନେଇଛି ସେଥିପାଇଁ
ତମେ ପଚାରୁଥିଲ ଏଗୁଣ ସମ୍ବଲପୁରୀରେ ଆଉ ଜଣେ
ମୁଁ
ପଚାରୁଥିଲା।
ପଚାରିନି sir.
ଖଦିରୁ ବନେଇବ?
ଖଦି ବି ନୁହଁ, ଏଇଟା ମୁଁ
No
ଜାଣିଛି।
issue.
Thank you.
It is
Sir,
decent.
ହଁ,
ଏଇଟା
ସବୁ
ପକେଇଛ
decent.
ଉପରେ ସେ ଯୋଉ ଓଢ଼ଣା, ଇଏ ସେ ଭଲ ଅଛି।
it is
ହାତ
okay.
ଗାଈ ଉପରେ ଘଣ୍ଟା ପିନ୍ଧିକି ଯିବ।
Sir, ହଁ sir ସେଇଟା ମୁଁ ପଚାରୁଥିଲି କି ଡିଜିଟାଲ ୱାଚ୍
କିଛି
କିଛି
ଡିଜିଟାଲ କାମ ପଡ଼ିଲେ ମୁଁ ତ ପିନ୍ଧୁଛି ବୟସ୍କ ଲୋକ ଡିଜିଟାଲ।
yes sir.
ଯେ ମୋତେ କହୁଛି ମୁଁ କେତେ ଚାଲିଲି, କେତେ ନିଶ୍ୱାସ ନେଲି, ସବୁ କହୁଛି।
Yes
କ'ଣ
sir.
ଅସୁବିଧା ଅଛି? ଚାଲ।
Sir,
All the best.
I want to ask one question. Sir, if I don't know the answer, how to say?
ଡୋଣ୍ଟ ଗେସ୍ କରି କହିବା ଦରକାର ନାହିଁ, ଗୁଲି ମାରିବା ଦରକାର ନାହିଁ, ସେଟା କହିବ। ସରି ସାର୍, ଆଇ ଏମ୍ ନଟ୍ ଏବୁଲ୍
Sir, ଆଉ ଯଦି repeatedly ମାନେ answer ଆସୁନି ତ how to react?
ଶୁଣ ତା ଟେକ୍ନିକ୍। ଯଦି ରିପିଟେଡଲି ଗୋଟେ ଦୁଇଟା ତିନିଟା ଦେଖୁଛ ତୁମେ କହିପାରୁନ, ଭଲ ଲାଗିବନି, ତୁମକୁ ଖରାପ ଲାଗିବ। ଯଦି ନ କହିପାରୁଛ, ସେଇ ପାଖାପାଖି ଯଦି କିଛି ଜାଣିଛ, ତମେ ଗୋଟେ କ୍ଲୁ ଦିଅ ନା ବୋର୍ଡକୁ, ସେ ପଚାରିବେ ସେଇଥିରୁ।
Yes.
Yes sir.
ହେଲା, ଡିସ୍କ୍ରିମିନେସନ୍
ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ question-
ତୁମେ ଡିସ୍କ୍ରିମିନେସନ୍ କହିପାରିନ।
Yes sir.
ସପୋଜ ଡିସ୍କ୍ରିମିନେସନ୍ ତୁମେ କହିପାରୁନାହ, ତୁମେ କହିପାର ଯେ ସୋସାଇଟି has so many issues relating to this discrimination. Sir, exact type of discrimination I am not able to recollect. ଗୋଟେ ପ୍ରକାର ଉତ୍ତର ହେଲା ନା ନାହିଁ, ପୁରା ଜିରୋ କରିବା ଅପେକ୍ଷା ସେ ବିଷୟ ଗୋଟେ କ୍ଲୁ ତୁମକୁ କହିପାର। ଓମେନ୍ ମାନଙ୍କୁ ନେଇକି କିଛି ଅଛି କି ଫଟକି ତ ମନେ ପଡ଼ିପାରେ କ'ଣ ଜେଣ୍ଡର ଡିସ୍କ୍ରିମିନେସନ୍?
Yes sir.
ଛୋଟ ଝିଅଙ୍କୁ ମାରି ଦେଉଛନ୍ତି, ମାରୁଛନ୍ତି ନା ଭ୍ରୂଣ ହତ୍ୟା,
Yes sir.
କହିବ?
Mm.
Sir, ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ question.
ହଉ
Sir-
ଅଛି ତମର 2 ମିନିଟ୍ ଅଛି, କୁହ।
Sir, ଯୋଉ ମୋର ମଦର ହଉଛନ୍ତି SSG ଗ୍ରୁପ ଯୋଉ ଅଛି ସେଥିରେ ପ୍ରେସିଡେଣ୍ଟ ଅଛନ୍ତି ତ
ଆଚ୍ଛା।
ସେଇଟା ମୁଁ ଲେଖିପାରିବି କି ସେଠି ମାନେ
ସେଟା ଲେଖିବା ତ ସ୍କୋପ୍ କିଛି ନାହିଁ।
ନାଇଁ
ତୁମର ଯୋଉ ସିଟ୍ଟା ଦିଆଯିବ ତ
ହଁ,
ସେଟା
ସେଇଟା।
କିନ୍ତୁ ଲେଖିବ।
ମୁଁ ହୋମ ମେକର ଲେଖିଛି ଏଠି
ହାଁ?
ହୋମ ମେକର ଲେଖିଛି ଏଠି
କିଏ ମଦର?
Yes, sir.
ସେ ହୋମ SFG ର ଯେ ପ୍ରେସିଡେଣ୍ଟ
Self-employed.
ସେ ଯେ ହୋମ ମେକର,
ହଁ
ସେଟା ଗୋଟେ ଚାକିରି ନୁହଁ,
yes
ଭଲେଣ୍ଟାରୀ କାମ।
Job ଅଛି लेकिन other business
ଥିବ କି
profession.
ବିଜନେସ୍ ଥିବ ଯଦି
Self-employed.
yes sir.
That is not a business. ठीक है, चलो,
Thank you sir.
All the best.
थैंक यू।